pandemic, all are doing work from home and it has become new normal. But people are facing problems in maintaining balance between professional and personal life. So, what can be done that to make life easier and balanced?
Yeah, that's actually right. Because of the pandemic, people are facing a lot of problems in work life balance. That actually reminds me of a quote, It goes like, never get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. So the implication is that even though you are very busy in work from home and you feel like your family is becoming a distraction for you, but ultimately it is also important to give enough time to your family and strike a good or a healthy work life balance. Now, how to do that? How to strike a healthy work life balance is a big challenge, right? So, how to overcome that challenge? So what you can do is, first of all, when you feel like family or home setting is becoming a distraction, get a space for yourself in your home where you can solely work, just solely dedicated to work. So it will be like an office space for you. And while you go from your while you get out of your bed, you do your tasks in the morning, and then you go to that office space at home. You feel like you have to imagine like you are commuting to work. So when you imagine that, then you kind of get into that work mode and you'll be focused at work, right? So that is one solution. Again, in the morning, it is always better to have a schedule where therein you have dedicated enough time to work, and also in between the breaks where you spend time with your family, like lunch break or taking some time just for yourself, and engaging in some recreational activities so that you are fresh throughout the day and you are able to concentrate on work instead of getting constantly irritated and frustrated because you are not able to manage both the things, right? Then it is also important to make sure that your family members are well aware of your office timings and requirements at your office. So you need to talk about that properly with your family members so that they do not interfere or disturb you at those times. Then sometimes we face this problem that our family is constantly complaining that we do not spend enough time with them and we just constantly keep working, right? So what can we do in that case? We can take enough breaks, and also we can make sure that we spend enough time with the family, at least on the weekend, and do not engage in a lot of office work when we are solely dedicating time to our family, right? So there has to be a separation regarding that. What you can do to focus more on work is to make sure that when you get up in the morning and you start working, you dress up like what you would dress up for work. So you adorn your work attire and then you start working so that you get into that feeling that you are actually about to work, and that will help you to focus more. Apart from that, what you can also bring into your office space is some of your work rituals. Like if at office you were habitual of having coffee in a certain mug at a certain time, then you should keep following that at home as well. And if you would use certain pens, or if you would have a desk, then try to create that space inside your home with the same things so that you get into that feeling of work. Then, to strike a healthy work life balance, what you also need to do is to maintain enough boundaries, because sometimes it might lead to a lot of stress or anxiety when you just constantly get emails throughout the day, even before bedtime, and you get anxious when you read those emails and you're not able to relax at home, or you're not able to spend time with yourself and your family at home. So, what you need to do is to maintain boundaries, such as when you are spending time with your family, then do not check your emails, and when you just about to go to bed, then just switch off your phone and keep it aside. Do not receive phone calls from work and do not attend to any kind of emails at that time. That is how you will maintain healthy boundaries, which will not affect your mental health in a negative way, right? And then it is also important to talk about these things with your partner, right? So a lot of times we have arguments because there are so many things at home, right? You need to uh, clean, you need to do the utensils, you need to cook, and all of these. And when both the parents are working, then it becomes very difficult to manage all of these things like alone, right? So it is important that both the husband and wife contribute equally to these things. And even for students, they also have to somewhere take out time from their schedule, from the online classes or whatever they are having, and help out their family, right? So these things need to be very clear at home, that everybody has to be given certain roles, so that everybody can help and contribute to a healthy family, so that no one person is having all of the burden, and if the burden is equally distributed. So that's how you can maintain a healthy work life balance.